Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
The 2023 Mazda CX-90 is anticipated to include a new turbocharged inline-six engine and a spacious, opulent cabin. It will be a three-row SUV with increased size and luxury. We expect that the CX-9's athletic handling and attractive design will carry over to the CX-90. The CX-9 has captivated us with its athletic handling and gorgeous appearance. This range-topping, three-row, seven-seater SUV is expected to provide more luxury amenities than Mazda's existing SUV lineup. A plug-in hybrid drivetrain could be offered as an alternative to all-wheel drive. The all-new longitudinal-engine design on which the CX-90 is based is anticipated to also give rise to a two-row SUV called the CX-70, which will likely go on sale shortly after the CX-90. These new Mazdas are anticipated to appear in late 2022, with sales commencing in early 2023. There are also rumors that this platform might serve as the foundation for a rear-drive, midsize, sport luxury car in the vein of the BMW 5 Series or Mercedes-Benz E-class. When manufacture of the CX-90 begins in late 2022, there will be a new nameplate for the Mazda brand. It is unknown if the CX-90 will replace the current CX-9 or if it will be sold with a smaller three-row variant in the future. Mazda has not released price or trim levels for the CX-90, but we anticipate it to adhere to the brand's current structure and begin at approximately $40,000. When Mazda releases additional information about the CX-90's standard and optional features, we'll update this article with the specifics and recommend the model that represents the greatest value. Powertrain, engine, and performance. When the CX-90 debuts, it is likely to be the first Mazda with a new turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine that will be supplemented by a 48-volt hybrid system. Such a power plant is a trademark of luxury SUVs such as the BMW X5 and the Land Rover Range Rover Sport, indicating Mazda's intention to further elevate its brand's position in the market. A plug-in hybrid option is also possible.
Thanks for watching.